Today we have a video from Arrest Cam Fish and Wildlife, and the title of the video is Helicopter Crash Caught on Camera. FWC Rescued Pilot.
If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Officers with Florida Fish and Wildlife were returning from an offshore patrol when they observed a helicopter flying extremely low. As they watched, the helicopter repeatedly gained and lost elevation before ultimately making an emergency landing just east of the Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park.
They actually watched it.
Holy shit! Go! 9348 Miami. M18, the helicopter just crashed.
Perfect timing though, they're there. Dealing with the water, you gotta be so fast.
Fireboat, Coast Guard, FWC. We need units to Cape Florida. Cape Florida light, just east. Helicopter crash, helicopter down. We need fireboat, fire rescue to Cape Florida channel. Miami,
helicopter just went down.
Sector Miami, fireboat, Sector Miami, fireboat. FWC. We need fire rescue to Cape Florida.
Good night, Cape Florida channel. That's simple.
Hey, this shot.
Look, I see the person.
FWC, Cape Florida, just east of the lighthouse. Shallow water. We're taking arrival now.
The plane crashed in shallow water?
We need fire rescue to Cape Florida channel, just east of the lighthouse.
Sir, are you okay? How many people?
How many people? How many people?
Just you?
Stacks of what?
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about the potato chips. Are you okay?
Did he just say his potato chips?
All right.
You're by yourself. No other people.
Watch out! Hey!
Yo! Hey!
Yo!
He's okay. He's okay. It's just him.
Yeah.
What do you mean I don't know how to swim?
Sir, get away from my boat. What are you doing?
From the boat.
Go back to your boat. Go back to your boat.
Okay.
Sir, go.
Thank you.
What the heck? These people weird.
Wow. All right, here, we'll get you on our boat real quick.
Good, brother? You good?
All right, just confirming you were by yourself.
By myself.
All right. Wow.
Rotor just did that. No, he's seen you acting all funky.
Yeah, I was nursing it along. I thought I could make it to the shoreline. I got close, but damn.
Just let that go. Let that go. Let that go. All right. Let me update.
I got my passport and stuff in there.
All right. Sector Miami, FWC.
9348, go ahead.
WC, Sector Miami, go ahead.
Lucky I wasn't too far out.
No, yeah, that was. We saw you skipping low, and we got.
You saw me.
We just witnessed a helicopter crash. So far for
Good landing though.
I know.
Yeah, take a seat.
Oh, it's a little tweak. Kind of.
WC, Sector Miami.
Yeah.
Just confirm you said you witnessed a helicopter crash, over.
Roger, this happened right in front.
But that was some fine flying you did there. That was, yeah. That was as smooth as could be.
That was good.
No immediate.
We're good.
Appreciate it.
No major.
That's my baby.
The chopper.
Well, at least I had a life raft. It worked.
Yeah, it did. Look at that.
Didn't need it though. I was actually sitting, I think, on the shore, on the land.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, those are some funny first words. You said, my snacks.
I had all my snacks because when I go to the Bahamas, I give everybody snacks.
Yeah.
Coastal
Snacks are floating around.
No helicopter crash in the water or onshore, and we're in the vicinity of over.
It's better though because I would have had we're off for landing probably on land.
Yeah, there's a good amount of people out there too.
I'll be honest, I'm not exactly sure what the next step is from here, but we got a fireboat coming to check you out, just as a precaution.
I think I let them know at the tower in Miami that I was an emergency, so I think they're sending the Coast Guard, but I don't think they can call it off now.
Yeah,
Private 1, Coastal Sector Miami, good copy. Out.
we let them know right away. As long as you're okay, that's all that matters.
Yeah, I don't know.
You know, that's probably the first time these guys have ever seen that or dealt with that. They're like, they're being honest. They're like, listen, I don't know the next steps from here, but we gonna have some people check you out. We like, you know, that was a good landing though, man. He could have easily ended up like Kobe, man. You know, could have ended up like Kobe back there, man. That was good maneuvering, you know, going up and down trying to make it, but he knew he couldn't make it. So, you know, try to make the landing as soft as possible. And it is what it is. It worked out for him, though.
I got out of there too. I honestly don't because I was caught up in the seatbelt. The seatbelt was undone. Like,
Probably just
I must have
brain went to survival
I went into
mode,
survival.
reflexes.
Yeah. You get the same one? Well, you know, I lost it's my life bag. Yeah, I had the same vest.
Oh, yeah?
And it went off automatically. But it didn't help because it kept me inside the aircraft.
Yeah, that's what they said. Sometimes you'll get caught up in something. Cool. Like there might be something else floating over there.
Where were you flying from?
From Tamiami.
From Tamiami,
to Bahamas.
You were going there?
Yeah.
And you turned around?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I had a little bit of a funny vibration, which I didn't like.
Wow.
Spidey sensor started.
Yeah, and it was just weird. Nothing, no lights, nothing. I just said, you know what, I'm gonna turn around.
Well, glad you're okay.
You guys are right there.
I was fixing to go swimming.
Where were you, right here when you saw it?
We were, I was like,
Quarter
hey,
mile
You
away.
guys were right on top of me. I was swimming out.
I was like, hey, that helicopter's acting funky.
Did you see it?
Private 73, Coastal Sector Miami, Channel 16.
You kind of just did this a couple times, and I was like, that don't look right.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit the shore.
Yeah. No, what was happening is I was losing RPM, so I put into an auto rotation to keep aloft, you know, and then I would come back because I wanted to get more power. I thought I could get it shallow. This is as shallow as I could get it because out there, you know how deep you're going to go.
Sample on. You push it back real quick. Oh, it's fire rescue.
That's fire rescue?
It's fire rescue.
Everybody's.
He's good. He's right
I
here.
think you should be safe to
I
come.
didn't even know they had jet skis.
And once you go
He's right here.
But you think you can go pick that up?
How's your back? I saw you rubbing it.
Yeah, you know, it was a little tweaky. I don't think I got really injured. I think I just got strained because when I hit, it's just like a little. But it was a pretty heavy hit.
Impact?
Yeah, it was. I mean, I think I tried to, because remember, you're on water, you kind of belly flop.
Yeah.
9247, go ahead.
So the skids catch the water and they're designed to hit ground.
Yeah, that's true.
Ocean Rescue, Miami-Dade Fire Rescue, 1097. Check out the subject.
So it's a good day when you walk away.
Thank you.
We'll get your information. Let me get your phone number and I'll call you and get all the information.
Perfect, yeah. We probably got one of the body cams on it. We were watching it, so we probably got it on video.
Gotcha.
We'll check later.
Sounds good.
We're gonna
Just in
set
case
up
it's pertinent.
over at
No name?
Harbor.
Okay.
Okay.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest.
Yeah. You know, this is different. This is different. You know, I've done one video of this before a while back. You know, as far as the wildlife stuff, you know, it's just sometimes I do want to watch something different. You know what I mean? Like, we got to change up the pace a little bit, man. You know, just a little bit. So yeah, this was, man. Whoo, he lucky, boy. He lucky. He handled that landing pretty smooth, man. Pretty smooth. It seemed like he was very, you know, I obviously everyone who fly plane, you know, they're knowledgeable and stuff, but he was very aware, you know, even the fact that he was like, hey, is vibrating, and you know, he felt some weird vibrations in the plane or in the helicopter or whatever. And you're like, man, I probably can't even make it to Bahamas. Let me turn around and head back, you know? But his instincts was right. He lost, and man, but good for him, man. Good for him. Good landing. He ain't end up like Kobe. You know, that's a blessing, man. That's a blessing. I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.